Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Sachin S. Sharma. I'm a numerologist, and we are going to be talking about how the month of April is looking for all of us. You know, दो चीज़ें होती हैं जो लाइफ में इफेक्टिव आपको बनाती हैं. Of course, your hard work. There is no shortcuts. Your integrity and your reputation. There is no shortcuts. But दो और चीज़ें होती हैं which are so important. One is that planets are aligned to you. Number one, and दूसरा कर्म के दोष तो नहीं है जो लास्ट लाइफ से आते हैं. Because they don't allow the planets to work to the full potential. इस सारे गेम में आपका इफेक्टिवनेस कहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा होती है कि ये साल कैसा होगा और उस साल के अंदर वो महीना कैसा होगा. That's where the real effectiveness lies. And of course, the sheer size of luck, bad or good, will all depend on the other parts in the charts as well. So I'm bringing this series to you for the last 2 years. But things have changed so dramatically. 2019 December I had mentioned कि 2020 में कुछ होने वाला, वो रील भी आज अभी तक है. I had mentioned in 2021 that 2026 is going to be a very tough year for the whole world. Now that's also happening. So what are we actually doing? We're reading the planets. We're looking into the future. We're warning the people. At the end of the day, if you are able to understand the future, that's a big remedy. So my suggestion, whatever I'm sharing, please share it ahead. Please subscribe to my channel. Lots of people can benefit from all of this. This is free information and that can change and impact lives significantly. Let's start the series of 1 to 9 for the month of April. If you're born on the 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month, how's April looking for you? There are 4 things that define you. Number 1 is new beginning. Number 2 is structure and foundation. Number 3 is legacy building, मतलब आपका नाम जाना जाता है. And number 4 is high energy. Which means what? This is one of those best months ever in your life. ये बहुत बार नहीं आता है. It is, so please step out, take a risk and start something. It will give you legacy. It will give you you have the energy to carry it through and through till the end. Number 3, ये blessings का साल है, which means the universe is blessing you. Go and seek blessings of Ganesh Ji and Vishnu, any form of Vishnu, because just go to the temple or internalize it in your mind. Should you belong to some other religion, just go and seek your God's blessings because they are absolutely with you this month. And the other thing that you need to understand, visit your doctor, take a health check. You will see most parameters in your health are improving automatically. How good that can be, how important is that? Or on the 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month, let's make April lucky for you. What are the 4 or 5 key remedies? Number 1, पहले तो डोंट शेयर योर प्लान विद अदर्स, उसमें बुरी नजर लगती है. सेकेंडली, नो ब्लैक्स एट ऑल. बट ब्लैक आप दान करना शुरू करो बिकॉज दैट्स गोना रियली वर्क प्रोडक्टिवली फॉर यू. नंबर 3 इज a ruby and a yellow sapphire as a combination is phenomenally good for you. Now this is super fantastic. Talk to my team. I've made arrangements for you to have a conversation with me for 15 minutes. I'll explain the science of gems, how they affect lifelong for you. Born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th or 29th of any month, let's see how April is looking for you. The good luck that number 1 people are facing, that continues for number 2 people as well. The difference is, this is your time to collaborate at work, collaborate at personal life, which means step out, meet, collaborate, start something. There are 2 aspects to the collaboration being successful. ये याद रखिएगा कि ये सिर्फ collaboration वाला essence है इस month में. आपकी collaboration 2 चीज़ पे based है. एक तो आपकी intuition पे based है. ये इस time पर your intuition is at the highest. You can bank on it. आप उस पर ट्रस्ट कर सकते हो. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज गुड पीपल आर बीइंग सेंट बाय द यूनिवर्स इन योर लाइफ. सो स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू अदर्स एज वेल. सो हाउ डू यू कंबाइन दैट? लिसन टू अदर पीपल्स ओपिनियन, evaluate it with your own insight and intuition, and then execute. But do not sit idle. Don't let this time pass you by. So if you're born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th or 29th, how do you remedy the month of April to maximize its potential? 3 or 4 things. 1, start adopting green as a way of life. Pastel colors, pale colors are good enough, but green is the best. Secondly, start walking out in the sun. 10-15 minutes you need to be out in the sun. Not only it's all about vitamin D, but it's also going to give you a lot of vitality. It's also going to take away your negative energy, whatever you may have embedded on yourself. Number 3, a bit of grass walking. Bare feet walking on the grass or using ortho slippers because it's going to give you acupressure. That's going to revitalize your entire body. लैब्राडोराइट कैट्स है और एक पर्ल, एक कॉम्बिनेशन होता है जेमस्टोन्स का. प्लीज स्टार्ट वेयरिंग इट. टॉक टू माय टीम. आई हैव मेड अरेंजमेंट्स विद देम फॉर यू टू स्पीक टू मी before you make any purchases so you understand the science behind it. Are you born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of any month and you want to maximize the month of April for you? How is that looking anyways? Number one, your focus is so much better right now, which means the scatter that you generally are challenged with is now much in control. This also initiates new energies for you to take a jump, start something now. Don't delay. Your hunch is fantastic. Intuitive faculties are working well. Focus has never been better before. Start something new. Number two, communicate at work. Your communication will be effective. Communicate in the family. People are going to listen up to you. People are going to support your thoughts as well, much more than they've ever had. ये भी बड़ा अच्छा है कि आपको लोगों से 360 डिग्री सपोर्ट मिलता है. 3, अब सपोर्ट का एक आउटकम भी तो होना चाहिए. जो आउटपुट actually has a direct impact on your social status and पैसे का luck. तो this is the right time. थोड़ा सा break भी लीजिएगा बीच में. Take a little break and go and reset your goals. Rethink about your life. What do you want to do? Don't do too many things at one time. Start prioritizing. But ये थोड़ा सा time off लेके do that exercise before you maximize the month of April for you. Remedies for the month of April. If you're born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of any month, what could they be to maximize your potential? Health, health and health. There's simply let's talk about your stomach first. Kanji piyo, chas piyo, papaya khao, lukewarm water may squeeze a lemon and just simply drink it. No sugar, no salt, of course. Now make all of these things happen, which means hydrate yourself with any of these fluids. In fact, even amla juice along with carrots, just mix it up and drink it empty stomach. This is going to keep your stomach healthy. Very, very important for you. Number 2, emeralds. I've always been talking about emeralds and emeralds and emeralds for the last 3 years because that's the only thing. In your case, however, this month, add a little jade to the emerald. So make a little locket, emerald and jade, it has phosphates. But talk to my team. For you to first talk to me, I'll explain the science of it, then make the purchase. Don't go buying gemstones like that. Number 3, increase your exercise time. It's not about walks anymore. It's a little light weight training as well. Maybe a few push-ups, maybe a few pull-ups. You got to do light exercises as well. ये time ऐसा है that you are taking a jump for the future to perfection and to prosperity. Your body must. So if you're born on the 4th or 13th, 22nd or 31st of any month, and you look at April and how's it going to be? Very simply, I'm saying so with a lot of confidence. एक टाइम पे आप वापस मुड़ के देखेंगे, ये वाला April 2026 was just so amazing. The way you're going to be able to put structures, processes, plans, execute them to details, ये इतना अच्छा टाइम पहले कभी नहीं आया था. So it will give you legacy, which means ये आपका नाम जाना जाएगा. आप इस month को मुड़ के देखेंगे, you'll realize, oh, I did create a lot of foundational work in this month. So God bless you and all the best for that. Number 2, greatness will also be achieved when you listen to other people. थोड़ा आप कम सुनते हो ना किसी की. So here, because time ठीक है, अच्छे लोग आते हैं लाइफ में, अच्छी opportunities आती हैं. Please keep your mind open. Listen, analyze, do what you want to do eventually, but you must listen because that's also the path to greatness. Number 3, ये legacy का time है, मतलब नाम जाना चाहता है, which means अपने goals को थोड़ा ऊंचा रखिएगा. Don't keep small, petty, easily achievable goals. When you aim for the stars, you'll reach the mountains. So aim for the stars. And the last thing is charity now, if you haven't already begun. ये गणेश जी की आपकी लाइफ है, डोमिनेटेड है. चैरिटी तो आपको करना ही है. If you're born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd and 31st, and I already mentioned, ये तो बहुत बड़ा मंथ आने वाला है आपका. तो फिर रेमेडीज भी बहुत स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए. पहली रेमेडी तो वेरी क्लियरली है कि आप अपनी प्लान्स तो किसी को बताओगे नहीं. जो आपके स्टेक होल्डर्स नहीं, जिसका आपके प्लान से कोई लेना देना नहीं. कीप इट योरसेल्फ. दूसरी बात, ब्लैक को तो आप दूर रखिएगा. एक्सेसरीज में ठीक है, शूज हैं, बेल्ट्स हैं, कार कलर्स हैं, विच इज ऑल ओके, बट कपड़े तो ब्लैक आप बिल्कुल भी नहीं टच करोगे. नंबर 3, मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इज अपनी फाइनेंशियल डीलिंग्स को फेयर रखिएगा. यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी वेरी फेयर इन योर फाइनेंशियल डीलिंग्स. उसका जो रेपिकशन या उसकी जो ब्लेसिंग्स है, दैट इज वेरी वेरी पावरफुल. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट. फोर्थली, एक ना कोई भी बर्ड या एनिमल की फोटो अपने पर्स में रख लो जो इंट्यूटिवली आपको अट्रैक्ट करती है या करता है. What happens is when you like a picture of an animal or a bird and you keep it in your purse, उसका जो उसकी स्पिरिट होती है दैट कम्स एंड प्रोटेक्ट्स यू. दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर यू फॉर दिस मंथ, क्योंकि आप बुरी नज़र तो खींचते हो. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज हमेशा गोमेद आपको पहनना ही है. एक गोमेद लेके अपना पहनिए, बिकॉज फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ एंड बुरी नजर से प्रोटेक्ट करके रखता है. वेलकम टू द मंथ ऑफ चेंज, April 2026. If you are born on the 5th, 14th or 23rd, things are changing significantly now. Let's talk about it. Number one, increase your network, host parties, meet people, step out and increase your network. Every planet is willing to support you, which also means what? Time to take a change. Whether it's your career, whether you're sitting at home, whether it's your business, change is coming and change is good. Consult me, pick up the appointment and start talking to me. I'll guide you how to go about doing this effectively, because change is never easy. Number three, this is also the time to remember all who supported you. Please keep a tab of all your friends and network. Make an effort to invite them over, to keep in touch, write to them, speak to them. Some force somewhere is lurking where it'll come very, very beneficial for you from the past, which means don't neglect any friends. किसी पुराने दोस्त को या रिश्तेदार को neglect मत करिए जहां आपसे बात पूरी नहीं होती है, because कहीं ना कहीं अच्छी लक आपकी तरफ आ रही है, ये नहीं पता कहां से और किससे आएगी. So be in touch and network and socialize. If you're born on the 5th, 14th or 23rd of any month, we first need to bring down your scatter and restlessness as a remedy. Scatter and restlessness का मतलब है आप घर पे नंगे पैर चलो, घास पे नंगे पैर चलो, ऑर्थो स्लीपर्स यूज करो, साइकिलिंग करो, which means lower part of the body को ग्राउंडिंग एनर्जी चाहिए होती है, धरती से जुड़ा हुआ इंसान, so that you are very centered and stable. That's the first thing, and you need to do that. Number two, it is always good. You are a very good communicator anyways, but don't over communicate. Over communication will lead to noise in the mind of the receiver. वो फिर एक पॉइंट इन टाइम पे अब्सॉर्ब करना बंद कर देता है. बार बार एक चीज को रिपीट मत करो. Don't over communicate. Your communication will be far more effective. Number three, immediately start building up a routine where your physical exercises have increased. Whatever you're doing, start building up weight training into it, start building up lungs training into it, start building up your stamina, because ये वो time है where you are achieving greatness, where you're taking off for larger things in life. You need the body to sustain that. Number four, wear an opal and an amethyst. Before you wear that, of course, talk to me. Reach out to my office to fix up a 15 minutes with me. I'll tell you how these gemstones work, the right way and the right way to wear it. My friends, these are remedies. They enhance our potential, they enhance our luck, they enhance the effectiveness of our efforts. Let's make the month of April phenomenal if you're born on the 6th, 15th and 24th. 4 things you must do. And they are: number one, seek out promotions because it'll be given. Seek out government contracts. You have the best chance. Number three, seek out more responsibilities at home or office. वो आएंगी भी, आपको दी भी जाएंगी, उसको वेलकम करिएगा, because वो आपकी रेपुटेशन एनहांस करने के लिए दी जा रही हैं, and it is going to work in your favor. And the most important thing is, and please listen to this really carefully, don't be out in the market with unshaven look. आप पब्लिक एरिया में अपनी बिना शेव किए एक राउंड नेक टी शर्ट, शॉर्ट्स, चप्पल पहन के मत घूमिए. ये लक खराब करता है. दुनिया की नज़रों में आप कैजुअल नज़र आते हो, वो वाइब्रेशंस आपकी बॉडी पे पड़ती हैं, उस वाइब्रेशंस की वजह से आप कैजुअल हो जाते हो. एंड लक्ष्मी जी कभी कैजुअल कपड़ों में नहीं देखी, विष्णु कभी सादे वस्त्रों में नहीं होते, वो सजे सवरे रहते हैं. आपकी इस लुक की वजह से लक्ष्मी नहीं आएगी. प्लीज डोंट कैजुअली पब्लिक एरिया में मत जाइए. दिस स्पॉइल्स द मनी लक सिग्निफिकेंटली एंड स्पेशली फॉर यू दिस मंथ. सो दिस इज अ वार्निंग फॉर यू. However, you couldn't have asked for a better month. It's a great month to fulfill your potential and aspirations. Want to remedy the month of April if you're born on the 6th, 15th or 24th of any month? Let's do 4 solid things. Number 1, don't overanalyze things. आप बहुत ज़्यादा हाइपरटेंशन में रहते हो, हर चीज़ को ज़्यादा सोचते हो. मत करेगा. सिंप्लीफाई थिंग्स टू द लास्ट लेवल सो दैट आप उसको एग्जीक्यूट कर पाओ, बिकॉज वहाँ से आपकी ग्रेटनेस शुरू होती है. स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग. वो हाइपरटेंसिव एनवायरमेंट नहीं चाहिए. सेकेंडली, स्टार्ट क्लीनिंग योर बेडरूम एंड टॉयलेट थोड़ा सा, चाहे टॉयलेट के लिए कोई और आता हो, फिर भी अ पार्ट ऑफ द टॉयलेट एंड द बेडरूम यू मस्ट क्लीन योर सेल्फ, उससे मनी लक बढ़ती है. I'll talk about remedies differently as well. Number 3, wear an emerald. I've been asking you to wear an emerald forever, but wear an emerald again. Please talk to me before you buy anything. It's expensive stuff. पहले मेरे से बात करो. Reach out to my office for that. Number 4, 2 चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ के एसेंस बना लीजिए. एक तो है चैरिटी और दूसरा है सुपर क्लेanliness. अपने एनवायरनमेंट को पैशनेटली साफ रखो, चाहे वो घर के बाहर की सड़क हो. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर 6 पड़ोसी मिलके एक कूड़े वाले को एक्स्ट्रा पैसे दे दें कि भैया हमारी लेन साफ होनी चाहिए. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप हर 2-3 साल में अपनी वॉल्स की टचअप कराते हो, बिकॉज ये सब चीजें हैं जो लक्ष्मी जी को अट्रैक्ट करती है. एक पैशनेटली स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू द क्लीनलीनेस, स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ एक्टिव चैरिटी, जहां आपका पैसा और आपका एफर्ट भी लगता है. 7th, 16th and 25th born person. How is April looking for you? Connect all the 4 dots for you. Fame, knowledge, money and high energy. ये आपकी सारी dots connected हैं इस टाइम पर. What else can you ask for? But still we need to do 3 or 4 more things to ensure that it sustains after April also. Number 1, please start learning a new skill. Whatever comes this month in terms of enhancing your skill, आप कुछ भी पढ़ते हो, वो डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट आपकी लाइफ को आगे आने वाले में पढ़ेगा, क्योंकि सरस्वती जी राइट नाउ इज ब्लेसिंग यू. सो इस टाइम को जाने मत दीजिए. नंबर 2, नाउ वर्क ऑन योर लाइफ स्टाइल अलॉट, विच मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं पे द वे यू बैलेंस योर फूड, योर हेल्थ, योर स्लीप, योर पॉजिटिविटी ऑफ योर माइंड, मेक अ प्लान, स्टार्ट स्लोली एग्जीक्यूटिंग. 7 नंबर हो, आप डीप थिंकिंग करते हो, रिसर्च एनालिसिस आपके लिए नेचुरल है. प्लीज यूज योर मेंटल फैकल्टीज टू मेक अ सॉलिड प्लान फॉर योर लाइफ विच बैलेंसेस बोथ द मटीरियल एंड द स्पिरिचुअल, द हेल्थ एंड द मनी. लास्ट थिंग इज, इफ यू आर गेटिंग डिलेड इन मैरिज, दिस इज द टाइम टू फ्रक्टिफाई इट. स्टार्ट सर्चिंग फॉर द स्पाउस, स्टार्ट मेकिंग द एफर्ट्स. इज द बेस्ट time to get married as well. 7th born, 16th born, 25th born. Let's remedy the month of April for you. Wise words come out of you. आपका माइंड इस टाइम पे विजडम से भरा हुआ है, तो बोलना तो शुरू करिए. प्लीज स्टार्ट कम्युनिकेटिंग योर थॉट्स. फाइंड अ वे टू डू सो. फाइंड अ फोरम टू डू सो इफ यू हैव टू. नो ब्लैक एट ऑल, देयर इज नो क्वेश्चंस अबाउट इट. बहुत सारे प्लैनेट्स हैं जहां पे ब्लैक बिकम्स अ बिग इशू. योर्स इज वन ऑफ देम. एक्सेसरीज ओके, कार इज ओके, बट नॉट योर क्लोथ्स. Number 3, firstly, let's talk about your sleep hours. If you have a disturbed sleep, find your 6 to 7 hours during the day. Somehow get that sleep into your system so that the body can recover and recuperate. You are going to be wearing a locket called a labradorite cat's eye with an amethyst. Why? Misunderstandings in relationship, black energies, politics behind your back, lungs getting weaker, sinus, thyroid, windpipe, lungs. There are a lot of areas which get weak in this stage. All of that is this locket. But before that, don't buy lockets like that. Please talk to me for 15 minutes. I'll guide you. I'll explain the science of gemology first. My friends, you have a very solid, stable foundation laying month ahead. Use it to the maximum. Born on the 8th, 17th or 26th, how is April going to be looking for you? 3 things that define April for you. So this is the time to take a break. Please visit some old places of worship where you have a lot of belief in, and start taking the blessings, because you will be blessed this month more than ever. Number 2, so there's no need to be humble. Display your power. People will respect it. You will create an impact and get your breakthroughs with that. Go for it. Number 3, begin your own charity where your efforts, your network, your money is being utilized. You're meant for it. It will bring you greatness. It will also bring you large size. Nothing stops you from greatness right now, my friends. Start following these recommendations. 8, 17, and 26 born, and we want to maximize April in terms of remedies. That's the first thing that can always work for you is a combination of star sapphire and an amethyst oblique a neelam. Before you go into the world of gemology, I've made arrangements for my team to enable you to talk to me for 15 minutes. So do that before you make the expensive buys. Number 1. Number 2, black is out for sure. This is Saturn. So black is out for sure, and that's going to be very, very harmful. There's no questions about it. Number 3, watch your food, which means the oil and the sugar and the spices. Please balance it. It is not the best time for your stomach area. It's not the best time for basically the lower part of the body completely. So you need to cut it off your system. And the last thing is, these remedies are momentous. Long-term remedies sit in my subscription-based channel, where I give detailed remedies every month. So born on the 9th, 18th or 27th, how do you maximize the month of April? Simple one word, reset आ गया time. सब कुछ बदलता है. जो रिलेशनशिप्स पुराने हैं, जो आपके लिए पॉजिटिव नहीं है, जो नौकरी अच्छी नहीं है, जो बैड हैबिट्स में आप फंसे हुए हो, जो चीज़ आपके बिलीफ सिस्टम में जो आपको लिमिट करती है टू रीच योर पोटेंशियल, दिस इज द टाइम टू रीसेट एवरीथिंग. लेट इट गो. डोंट बी इमोशनली अटैच्ड, बिकॉज ये मौका आएगा, यूनिवर्स बोलेगा इसको जाने दो. आपका फ्री विल है, जाने दोगे तो ही तो जाएगा. So you have to understand, letting it go will give you a fresh new start for something new and better for you. That's the theme of April for you. Rewards का, ये financial rewards का, जो 9 साल आपने धक्के खाए, ये साल rewards का होता है. Now which means April, it's rewards at work. Go for promotions, go for bonuses, ask for it and you will be heard. अब हनुमान जी, गणेश जी की blessings तो आपके ऊपर है. If you're not a Hindu, any god that you have a belief in, the blessings exist for you. Now that's a very important and potent information to have, because 9 dominated people anyways are on a spiritual journey more than they are on a material journey. उस टाइम पे अगर आपके पास godly support है, which means you can achieve greatness. Number 4, time to visit old places of worship. ये मैंने Saturn के लिए भी बोला था, because वो इन vibrations आप absorb करते हो much more than any other planets, and this is the time to get that opportune breakthroughs which haven't come for many, many years in your life. Nothing stops you from greatness, my friends. How do you remedy the month of April if you're born on the 9th, 18th or 27th of any month? Very simple. Number 1, you need to balance your material and spiritual. आप सिर्फ पैसे के पीछे नहीं भागेंगे, otherwise पैसा elude करता है. आप क्वालिटी के पीछे भागेंगे, आप सेंस ऑफ सर्विस के पीछे भागेंगे, पैसा ऑटोमेटिकली फॉलोज. ये 9 नंबर का सीक्रेट है. I've also spoken about it many times in the past. So that still holds good, and more so this month. Keep hydrating yourself, keep drinking some fluids or the other. आपकी ड्राइनेस जो है ना अंदर से जो बढ़ती है, it's at the peak right now. So you need to be drinking fluids all the time. Number 3, a coral and a pearl becomes your lifeline gemstone. Talk to my team. They'll fix up a meeting with me on Zoom, and then I can explain the science of what these gemstones can do to your life. It is a direct help for your heart or diabetic conditions also. And number 4, no rash driving, no angry reactions. Especially so, no rash driving. Avoid the red cars if you have that, because you'll tend to do so. Now, these are remedies which you must share. You must subscribe to the channel so that millions can be affected. I have a fully paid subscription-based channel of remedies as well, where detailed remedies are put in every week, which can affect millions. Please share that as well. God bless you guys. Have a phenomenal month of April and a phenomenal life ahead.